Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to check the followers on Facebook. So let's start the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Facebook. At the top corner there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three horizontal lines. At the top there is a setting option. You will simply tap on settings. So afterward, you will simply scroll up and you will simply tap on profile information, which is in audience and visibility. So at the second option there is profile of information. You will simply tap on it. The about tab will be open at your screen. So you will simply scroll it down. You will go down and here is the list of the followers. You will simply tap on see all. So here is the list of the people who have followed you on Facebook. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.